This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index future, seeing some pressure developing this morning as more and more analysts talking about the debt ceiling issue that is likely to come to a head in mid-February. Of course, the U.S. has now passed the debt ceiling of $16.4 trillion at the end of last year, so there is some wiggle room in this situation. However, there is more and more concern. I think that is the main reason why stock index futures are weakening today. This is likely to be an ongoing theme until this problem is resolved. Also, we have earnings are coming in better than expected. The increase in earnings is starting to look on the weak side. Several months ago, analysts were expecting a 2.9% increase in fourth quarter earnings. Now, many are suggesting that earnings will only grow at 1.9% in the fourth quarter. So that's somewhat troubling for stock index futures traders, at least on the long side. Over in the currencies, seeing some pressure in the euro currency on ideas that the gross domestic product in the Eurozone contracted by 0.5% in the fourth quarter. This negative having a dominant influence on the trade this morning. Also seeing some gains in the Japanese yen after the economics minister in Japan suggesting that recent weakness in the yen is adversely affecting household income and imports. We feel that this strength in the yen today is likely to only be a temporary situation, and I would expect that the yen will revisit the 2.5-year lows that we have seen in recent days. And in the credit markets, seeing futures higher in a flight to quality bid. The debt ceiling situation once again is prominent, and this is the main influence affecting the Treasury futures market today. We feel, even though that the earnings situation seems to be deteriorating, that the bull market in the credit markets seems to be about over. Any strength in this market is likely to be only flight to quality buying, and this is a situation that is only likely to be a situation that lasts possibly 2 to 3 days. So any major gains in the credit futures market, I believe, will be flight to quality gains that will not follow through. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.